Welcome to Coloring What Ifs. My name is Simon, and today we are going to go over an outline of Iron Man using crayons. Okay, so the colors that we will be using today are red, white, black, yellow, and blue. Okay, these will be the colors. Okay, hopefully you guys can see them. Okay, I'm putting them right there. Okay, so like in the previous videos I did, like in the previous video when I gave you an outline, a general outline, I will explain how I plan on using these crayons to color in. Okay, so simply for the areas around the head, like that thing, I plan on using this colored red. Yeah, it's just general red. If you haven't any, it's any colored red. Okay, so red in the basic areas around here. I did outline here, make lines here that would show exactly what colors I will be using in certain areas and the amount, the tone or the shade amount that I would be using in that area. So that's, hopefully you guys looked at the previous video. It's very important to look at the pencil outline or coloring version before you watch any of the other colorings. So like I said, hopefully you did have a chance to watch that fully. If not, go back and watch it. Okay, so now then, we will, once, like I explained, majority of parts about us using the red color everywhere, we will be using red more than yellow. Yellow, most of the time we will be using it in the base cover region, probably in the legs, some of the legs, and underneath the chest, and somewhere in between these arms. I'll try and figure it out, okay, over time. Okay, so red would be basically all of the rest. The blue will basically be using for the interior part, the blaster, I don't know, the central chest thing, the electric, I don't know. Just the blue is going to be inside of it, okay? We're going to put a light shade of blue, and then we're going to put in the inside of it, we're going to use white, okay? White. Okay, so here. Okay, so now that we pretty much laid out how we will be coloring Iron Man for the background, and also using the black for the eyes. Okay, so now that we laid out the outline of how we will be using coloring Iron Man using crayons, I will explain the background portion of it. Okay, so we discussed making a light blue sky. So I will be using the blue and the white just to give it a light color. I'm not going to press too hard on this. I'm going to try and keep it as light as possible. Over time, we did learn in the previous videos that to make clouds using this, we have to let room in, because we can't put in white properly over the light blue. Okay, so the sun, I plan on using the yellow as well. Okay, so the yellow and the white, probably the yellow just to do an outline and some of the interior portion, just give it some sort of brightness, you can say, or understanding. Okay, so that, and in the interior portion of it, I'm planning on doing some buildings. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it simple. I don't want to go too much in detail of the buildings. I'm just going to start doing them using black, probably using black and white. yeah, probably just a lighter black. Everything's, most of the time I will be using just black for the building areas. Okay, and then I also forgot to mention I will be also using the red, probably the red area and some of the yellow, and most likely the blue as well, to show that it is flying, like show that it is flying, by glossing it, like not glossing. I'm just gonna use glossing. Well, just smudging, I don't know, just swiftly making lines across it, just to give the impression that it is moving that way, like up, not just standing still. It's actually moving. So if we curve it up, like curve like that, it'll show that the Iron Man has been flying in a upward manner. Okay, so I'll begin coloring in the next video, but don't forget, you guys, keep it simple. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.